So welcome to VGA.smtvs.com. So what's the VGA stand for? Video Gears and Application. So it's SMTVS Video Gears and Application. That's VGA. And that's why you see I jumped out building video stuff and building, right? Okay, application. So, and VGA is an application development company, not a company I build website, but we say we're in website, but our thing was about building like VGA builders. And if you go to my video, you will see I showed you the website builder where you can go in and grab a menu, a different type of style sheet, and you can like construct a thing, a page. Then we came out with the HTML5 generator that started doing more. So those programs as is going to be rebuilt on some standalone platform as apps and also as templates available at the buildings at the app studio that's going to be in smtvs.com. Right? Okay. So we'll make notation to say you can look on top of there, you see on the browser, because we're still coming through Google browser because I'm still coming through the apps on my site. I have not yet downloaded the container version yet, the desktop version. Until everything is done and we got everything 1.1, then we said, okay, it's time to allow now, make it can't come down. But in the beginning, it's a good thing because what happened, the AI made a bad zip, and that zip can't open up when it comes down. Okay, so we should talk about Ask Gemini, and we should look at Lunar Voice. Are the two same things, right? Okay. But Google has one more there, but I had asked my agent to do that, but the agent get it crossed sometimes, so I have to go back and second out. But my agent is building a lot of stuff, so it's moving lightning fast. A lot of pages that's not up in smtvs.com, it promised me, asking me to put those pages in, but by the time I get to the link to do that, it's zoom down the street. Can't get it back. You have going to return favor. Anyways, so it's a good thing to know that I'm spending a week talking about the conception of the intelligent browser and run my regular YouTube stuff and Facebook stuff. And if the data is taken, if the browser and everything is taking data collection, then they should have a that's going on. And seeing that happen, like, wow, everybody's saying it's the age. But when Google do that, we should try to show it is the century where a browser essentially is going to be a smart tool. And there's going to be even more smarter things than that I will start explaining. So now Google introduced Gemini, and that's a good thing because I spent a lot of time talking to Google Gemini on this AI chat in my research and everything, in creating my stuff, right? Okay? And of course, yes, I got a lot of Google integration into smtvs.com apps. And when users come over to smtvs.com and they got a site and everything, they certainly can integrate a lot of their Google Drives, for one thing, spreadsheet, email, the whole 9 yards, right? Well, when it comes to the email and certain things, I'm not did mine yet because I have another email program that I've not yet finished up doing, and it's connecting to my email, web email, so everybody gonna have a mail at smtvs.com, but also have a link up in there where they can switch over to their Gmail or wherever they have the mail is. So when you're in Lunar email section, you'll be able to do what you call a flip card. So you can flip over to your other email and flip back to the original SMTVS mail. Okay, so that's a lot of things. And that's going to be the server itself. We reconfiguring the server pretty soon with the apps. And because we are planning on giving out tailor-made media housing, that means you want a TV site and you want a radio site, ready-made video sites and stuff like that. It's at your fingertips and you are partner with us, so you just get it. You know what I mean? You have your way. You got your recording studio come over, and it's already set up for you to like go ahead and set up your booking time. Yeah, I mean, so it gives the opportunity now for me to be here on this side of the world, and somebody in London or Germany or wherever book studio time in my studio and come in, and I'm on the other side as the engineer, and he's there as a musician. Oh, you guys didn't know that, huh? And I told my agent that we have multi-users from across the world in all my stuff. So when you're in the video editor, you can invite your friend, and both of you can like be working simultaneously or talking, whatever. And when you're in the studio, it's going to be the same thing. It's that two-way connection thing that's going to be happening. So a lot of, just kind of wait around till I finish up that part. So you see a lot of technical stuff is going on because the two-way stuff that's going to be going on in Lunar is going to be in SMTVS tools, period. Because remember, we have a studio where you give studio time, so when the engineer have to be there talking to the person that's on their side playing music or on their side singing, right? That way. You know, you can put Gemini on live, so, and your mic is on, and then you can just continue to talk to Gemini. And that's a good thing. I love that. I love that, Google. Really love that. You're coming up with the times. But I now, I'm going to implement the next phase. Because that's what Google put there. I asked for that, right? But I asked for more that it seemed like the AI miss. See, now I've been looking for that once. When I got into my browser, I said, the browser's supposed to talk to you when you're coming on the browser. So that didn't happen. It brought up this thing, pling, and oh yeah, okay. So we're going to straighten it all of that. But I've also went steps further, and so all the developer them can hear, you know, because we all know this is the future. Okay, face recognition, right? Okay, Lunar, I'm going to build that into Lunar. So if you have your webcam, Lunar, when Lunar starts up, when we get the one that you put in your system, and Lunar starts up, it's a live browser. So you guys notice, if you check everything from dark world stuff, you notice I've been doing this live stuff, live meeting, live cam, live this, and I did that, and all that working, right? I have another program I went on my Mac just to check it, because when the cam was not on that, I went over to the Mac and I turned on the Mac and I look and I said my cam is working, everything is working. Wow, good. So we already did development like that already, the two-way thing. I have that in another project. So we are bringing that to Lunar, and that's like the permanent state of Lunar. Face recognition, ever live cam, ever live audio. Okay? So it's a real AI. And I'm gonna also, I sent the picture into the day when I was working. I said to the agent, this is the picture that I want you to animate for me for Lunar, right? So I'm not giving you that little thingy. A page fly up with this Android thing on it, sitting at a desk, and then that's the first version, and you there talking. And other windows, then you will have windows and stuff that will pop up like that. So that's when you're into the talking to Lunar for real. She takes you to Lunar, the Lunar page, right? Okay? Where it's actually voice movement, animated stuff, right? And then when you're back in the real browser, she miniaturizes herself as a little walking Lunar, walking around the browser, pointing to stuff. You want to go here? You want to do this or that, like that? You know, real stuff, guys. Real stuff, guys. Okay? So for developer, you know that Lunar is a developer browser, right? And Lunar, as Lunar Builder, I don't see it on the Lunar browser, but I'm going to make notation to the agent that in Lunar menu, there need to be Lunar Browser. As I think we got a tool down it. Yes, right here in tool, right? We got the milestone generator, the node graph editor. But all them things that really belong to the administrator in my sense of mind still. We can sync Google Calendar and all that stuff, but we're gonna leave it anyway still, right? But we need to see added to this menu the Lunar Builder, right? And we got browser setting right here. Okay, so it's a little. They got to do more than that because I'm removing this right here from my network because I don't want that appearance thing. We're just gonna keep the one thing, right? So other than that, the quick access, we'll work on the quick access, how we want to do that, right? And I ran to my page trying to find out where is stuff and where did these guys put some stuff that I can't find, I said. But it's going like in the quick access. Right. So now, these are all just like dummy pages that I was doing. I was also trying out what we call a template, but it's conflicting with the actual template. You know what I mean? So we can view the profile, right here. But when we view the profile, you notice how it changed up SMTVS stuff, right? It miniaturized these things, right? But me and the agent need to work it out. Where this guy need to these bottom stuff. This is the bottom stuff that's there, this and that I should have pulled from the actual example. I didn't think that the agent was going to take it literally. You know, I thought all I wanted the agent to do is just take the inside white part, right? But not take the above part. But you guys know this come from my this template arrived. But we can work it out by saying to the agent, please edit that template for me by removing all this, that second menu on the template page. We remove it completely so that we can use SMTVS 1. Okay? So that's the area. Now, you see what it does? But because SMTVS have a refined type of template, maybe I should make the agent use that refined. It'll make this word look more corporatish than just a regular stuff. You know what I mean? It's that technique. Yeah, so let's go back on the browser. So a lot of stuff that I was looking for in the early part, I said, where the agent puts, why the agent, I was inside, why the agent take this off the page? I don't know why the agent takes it. I'm looking, and the agent stick it all up here, right? The network TV, right? Music production, artist feed, analytics, and the RW thing, right? That kind of stuff. So, but that's going to be, this stuff right here won't happen for you. You see this. You have to be logged into smtvs.com to see that, right? See this? You can see this on the outside, the free one on the outside. This is our Prime. And then you might not even see this, but you have to log in to go to the Prime thing. And yes, it's some place where it's like you can buy a movie. That's what that's all about here, buying movie. See? Now, the Creator TV is the one that I don't really see on the front, right? And that's why these are the quick access, something have to go or something have to stay because these are external services and these are internal services, right? Well, the idea of these things, remember, when I'm in my container, all these things open up, even Google and everybody going to open up inside our container, right? So all our controls right here that you see right here will be there like how Google have these stuff up here, right? Cool. And we did a builder to let everyone know that, okay, this comes with the software, and we'll have to get that installed right in the tool area. So you can just hit up on your builder. And you don't have to be logged in to use the builder, long as you're already a member. Remember, the browser is using face recognition, so even when you log out, the browser will still look at you and know that it's you. So certain tools are still available to you. So if you're not even logged in, you will always partially log in anyway. It remembers remember your system, one system at a time. It don't remember a million systems. If you come from there, it's going to remember this is your system and all of that. You know what I mean? So we talk about always good that Google put on that right there because we had it on, and you guys keep on tracking Lunar. Remember, Lunar Browser, and Lunar is the AI. Okay? So on top of the day, and we have some more stuff that's going on. So now we're going to build a system because after yesterday I spent a lot of time doing my deep search and things that I need to do. Okay, so now I uploaded, like I said, I uploaded my VGA player script to the agent. I also gave the agent a full effect pack that would be able to functionalize all the effects the stuff that we are building. And the Creator TV can play now one video after each other since I was just on a program demand thing. I gave it my own personal touch. That's my script. And I reach a limit to upload until we run those jobs. And the next step is to upload all the functions that is necessary for the multi-track recorder to happen. Because you guys see me using multi-track recorder, right? So it's that same function that's going to be delivered to all the multi-track system. And then the next step is to upload functions for recording videos and even video effect. And that's from another developer, open source code. So all that stuff is really good. So that's why I'm more like all the media stuff, got all the stuff, the packs and all that stuff to make those things work. So you can be assured when you come in, all the things are going to be working. So we just concentrating on the browser. And then we got the teleops. You guys, you know the teleops, right? So, yeah, the teleops, you guys, let's say we can go over here at the Lunar Builder and roll down to the teleops. So we have to do some updating on our teleops system, right? This is the in web page one, because you know you have one in the web page, but the download one goes in your mobile. So you can see right now it's just the basics that's going on right here. And I have to go do all the refill now. You know what I mean? Okay, fine. You can send a video if you want to start a new chat, blah, blah. Well, you know, I did that. Okay, let's do a new chat anyway. So let's run it from SMTVS chat. So start a chat for me, right? Okay, so a chat is started. Okay? So we're going to introduce the AI chat inside here too. That's one. Okay, you'll be able to send video, audio, and text just the same way. You'll be able to have basically an audio call, live audio calling, back and forth. You can do video calling too, back and forth. You can create groups the same way, right? And you have all of your settings, your storage of your media, and all the other stuff. So it's the same thing because it's not all that big and apply. Yo, you know, you guys, you know, let me show you something. So I don't want people to think that I'm trying to follow people or what they want to say first or whatever. You know what I mean? Because stuff that I built, I already have. Okay, this is my notification here at SMTVS. So that is the thing to let you know. I'm not just talking this and talking that and running off at the mode, and I'm trying to follow WhatsApp or other people. SMTVS, I built my own messaging system already, and I just showed you guys, right? The things that you see I'm creating and all the stuff I'm bringing to you guys is things that I've already created on another level, but now we are using the AI to make modern version of it. So it's like I've already built an arsenal of programs out of PHP and Java and HTML. But now with the AI, I'll make all my applications a winner. I have my own e-commerce system built, my own music portal, my own video portal, my messaging system, you know what I mean? My website builder, my generator page, players, galleries, web page generator. So all this stuff is going to be redone in a modern form. So, you know what I mean? But for the inward lookers, you can very much see that I'm not trying to follow Google. I'm not trying to follow Microsoft. I'm just a little small man who have done those things on a small level and I have a chance to put them on some bigger level. But I have a replica or a copy or what you want to call it. My multi-track recording system offline is working perfectly. Can record a bunch of tracks. You know what I mean? My video player can play video. I've stocked up the list of video it'll play all day and return and go back and play. So, yes. Right? And we are definitely going to do some things. And, we're going to get out of here. We'll say a few words to Lunar. Right? Hey, Lunar, what's up? I'm going to go do some work. And we're going to make sure Lunar Browser is the top browser in the world. The first artificial intelligent browser.
Hey, not much. Just here and ready to chat. What kind of work are you diving into?
So that's just a little thing. Like Luna heard the first part, and that was it. So you guys don't take care.